Okay, so this is just a clip that I'm going to show you to highlight the benefit of playing the false nine role. We're going to see Messi being played in the false nine role in the second Clásico of Pep Guardiola's first season. This was the first time Messi was really deployed in the false nine role to great effect for the whole game, and how it really worked well. So I'm just going to show you right here. I'm going to stop just to highlight that Real Madrid's in the back four, and just so you can pay attention to where these four players play. So I want you to keep track of where these four players move. Particularly this man, Fabio Cannavaro, is one of the center backs in Real Madrid. I want to watch what he does. Right, so here's Sergio Ramos plays with Cannavaro. They play it long. Right, it goes back. Eventually, Puyol's gonna launch it back over. All right, when Puyol launches it back over, just gonna stop it right about here. Look at where Messi is. Messi looks behind him and he sees Fabio Cannavaro. And he drops back, right? In this situation, you have Eto'o at the right wing, you have Henry as the left wing. Instead of playing as the typical center forward, Messi has dropped off into this space between defense and midfield, right? These are the defensive midfielders, this is the defense. And there's the gap in between the lines that we said false nines have to exploit. And we said is a danger for back fours, that people will get caught. So Cannavaro is wary, right? He sees that Messi's in the gap, so he steps up. Right, he steps up, and at this point he realizes he's uncertain. His feet shuffle back. When the ball gets played into Messi, he's going to come forward. This hesitation kills Real Madrid, right? Because he doesn't communicate. He doesn't tell Ramos. Ramos realizes in about a second, which is too late, that there's a space behind him over here that Cannavaro has left. But Cannavaro hesitates. He's not sure what to do. He's taken off guard by Messi dropping so deep. Eventually, he steps up. Ramos right now is about to turn back, but he's scrambling. He doesn't realize what has happened, and Henry takes advantage of this gap, and he scores the goal. Right? So just to highlight really the benefit of the false nine role and how it can be used to great effect, is that it throws the defenders off guard. Right? If we bring it back just a touch, Cannavaro doesn't know, and watch how panicked Ramos is, because he's never seen anything like this. He's never played against something like this. He's panicked, and just the sheer panic factor, right? He even goes flying in the air trying to stop it. The panic factor is what makes the false nine so effective. No one knows how to deal with it. Cannavaro is hesitating, shuffling back, shuffling forward. Eventually he decides to go, leaves the gap behind him. Henry runs into that gap, and obviously Barcelona score the goal. So just a quick video to highlight the effectiveness of the false nine, and show again the weakness of playing in a back four, in that when the center backs get pulled out, you leave a gap behind you, and that's where you're vulnerable.